Hello everybody, Anne from Little Aussie Monster. Today we're going to show you fitting a swim nappy onto a standing toddler. This is little Willow and she is turning 3 next year, so she's 2 and a bit. She still fits into the baby range of swim nappies, but she'd also fit into the toddler size as well. We're going to show you a different way of doing it. You can do the snaps up around the legs and the waist on one side and she can step into it. You can also snap it up on both sides and pull it up like underwear. But to show you how you can do it either way, we're going to do both. So little Willow, you want to put your little foot into here for me? Hang on to my shoulder. There you go. Thank you. So then you pull that one up and then you can reach around and then you can tighten it up on the other side. So we're going to do the legs up first, so that's the bottom snap. And just want to twist around for us just a little bit, and there we go. And then we're going to do the waist up. Once it's on, then you can do the little bit of fluffing, get the shirts out and pull it up so that it sits in the right spot. You want to make sure you just give the legs a little bit of a snug pull to make sure it's sitting a bit further into the groin where underwear would sit. And then once you've got that, it's sitting nice and high at the back, so it's going to hold everything in and you're ready to go swimming. It's nice and easy to fit a little swim nappy onto a toddler or a baby, but this shows you the standing fit for a toddler. If you have any questions or would like more information, please visit our website or contact us.